Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video it's just going to be a quick little update. I was supposed to get my handlebars on today, but some circumstances happened and they aren't there anymore. So they're going to get those ordered for me again. Don't know when those will come in. The cables, which were the primary issue before, are still there. We're good with that. It's just the handlebars, the physical handlebars, that are missing. So they're gonna get those ordered for me and call me back when I can get them installed. So I will update you guys via Instagram or something, or maybe through a YouTube video when I get those handlebars in. So stay tuned. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Dory. Hi. Oh, wow.